In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make AI trading strategies on TradingView. We'll keep it simple and focused so you can go from a blank chart to a working, back-testable strategy in just a few minutes. All you need is TradingView open in your browser and access to ChatGPT in another tab. Start on TradingView with any chart loaded. On the left sidebar, click Pine Editor. This opens the coding panel where we'll place the strategy. If you don't see it right away, it's usually at the bottom of the screen. Clicking Pine Editor will pop it up. Next, open ChatGPT in another tab. We're going to use AI to quickly draft a PineScript strategy. When you ask, be explicit that you want a TradingView PineScript strategy, not an indicator. Include details like the market or symbol you care about, your time frame, and the kind of logic you want. Trend following, moving average crossovers, RSI entries, or anything else you're curious about. You can also mention PineScript version 5 to keep it current. If the response comes back as an indicator instead of a strategy, ask again and clearly say strategy, so it includes strategy entries, exits, and built-in backtesting calls. Once ChatGPT generates the PineScript strategy code, copy the code. Head back to TradingView, click inside the Pine editor, and paste the code there. Make sure the editor content is replaced with what you copied. If you see any compile messages, read them. If there's an error, return to ChatGPT with the exact message and ask it to fix the code. Then copy and paste the revised version. When the code is in place and error-free, click Add to Chart. This applies the strategy directly onto your current chart, so you can see where trades would have occurred. You should notice visual markers for entries and exits if the strategy is set to plot them. To evaluate performance, look at the bottom panel and click Strategy Tester. This is where the magic of backtesting happens. In Overview, you'll get key metrics like net profit, drawdown, and win rate at a glance. Performance Summary provides deeper analytics, including profit factor, average trade, and distribution stats, so you can understand how the strategy behaves over time. The list of trades shows every historical entry and exit, allowing you to review individual outcomes and verify that the logic matches your expectations. Use these results to refine your prompt in ChatGPT and iterate until the strategy aligns with your goals. Remember, this is educational content and not financial advice. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.